In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Calendly meeting reminders. By the end, you'll have a reliable workflow that emails the host before every meeting so nothing slips through the cracks. First, head to your Calendly account. On the left-hand menu, open Workflows. This is where Calendly centralizes automations that run across your event types. Click New Workflow to start from a template. You'll see a gallery of options designed for common scenarios. Choose Email Reminder to Host. This template is perfect for nudging you or your team before a call, and it already includes the core pieces you need so you won't be building from scratch. Give your workflow a clear, descriptive name. Pick something you and your teammates will recognize later, like host reminder 1 hour before meeting. Next, decide which event types this workflow should apply to. Click Select, choose the event types you want covered, such as your 30-minute intro call or your demo session, and then click Apply. Scoping it this way keeps reminders targeted and prevents extra emails on events that don't need them. Now configure the trigger in action. Under When this happens, set the timing for the reminder. Common choices are 24 hours, 1 hour, or 15 minutes before the event. Pick what best supports your preparation habits. Under Do This, confirm you're sending an email to the host. If you need to add or adjust the action, click Add Action, select the email option, and proceed. Click Next to move into the message setup. Choose an email template to start with, then refine it to fit your voice and workflow. In the subject field, keep it concise and scannable, something like upcoming meeting, event name, at event time. In the body, include the essential details your future self will appreciate: the event name, the guest's name, the date and time in your time zone, and the meeting location or conferencing link. Use Calendly's variables to autofill these, which ensures accuracy across every event. Consider a brief checklist line, such as skim notes and confirm agenda, if that's helpful, and keep paragraphs short so it's easy to read on mobile. When you're happy with the content, click Done. Give everything a quick review: the workflow name, the event types, the timing, and the email content. Finally, click Save to activate your workflow. That's it. You've just set up automated host reminders in Calendly. From now on, before each selected event type, Calendly will email you exactly when you've specified, helping you arrive prepared and on time every time.